Boys and girls, if you're watching this video, you were assigned version 3 of the DBQ essay. Due to COVID-19 and our limited access to have contact with each other, this is what you need to do for a good essay score on your DBQ project. So, version 3, you're going to complete the charts as shown, and you're going to write a conclusion at the end using synthesis. Synthesis is what you can determine now. In paragraph 1, you're going to tell me about your claim and 2 pieces of evidence to support your claim. Finish this statement by filling in the blanks. The Industrial Revolution was blank time in U.S. history, and give me a solid reason why. Okay, this should be a good sentence or 2. In this chart, you're going to tell me your first reason for the revolution being positive or negative. It gave jobs and provided a steady income, or because of child labor. All right, you will then tell me what source you used to find evidence to support that claim. Okay, by the way, if you are telling me child labor here, you need to tell me why that's bad. Did it stop them from going to school? Things like that. If you're thinking it's positive and it gave them a steady wage, why is that beneficial? So there needs to be a little explanation here. Okay. All right, so that's that part. That is your introduction. Paragraph 2 is your counterclaim and 1 piece of evidence to support that stance. Here's your opening line. Critics or opponents say the Industrial Revolution was blank, which is the opposite, time in U.S. history, and why. As before, you will find a reason to tell us why that counterclaim is positive or negative, and a specific source where you found that information. Okay? To end and get your last bit of your score, you are going to conclude and synthesize your information. You would end something like this: all things considered, the Industrial Revolution was a more positive or negative time. All right, restating your claim because of a significant fact which outweighs the counterclaim, which is a negative point. Okay, restate your counterclaim point. And then your last line is going to be something like this. This is why the Industrial Revolution was a blank time in U.S. history. That is it, boys and girls. If you have any questions, please try to bump in on Tuesday or whenever we have a next Google Meet, and I'd be happy to answer those. Your rubric, in case you're wondering on how you'd be scored, are these 10 standards. Yes, that's 10 standards. That's quite a few for this essay. Some of them are going to be very important to be scored through your DBQ packet. Remember, your DBQ packet is this page right here. And I'm going to be looking at your actual facts that you pulled from those documents, both positive and negative, your analysis of the apostate, and the media resources. Okay, that's it. You're assigned version 3. Go ahead and start writing that. You have a couple of days to get that finished.